Okay, in this problem, we are going to be reviewing problems 5 and 6 that's on the test and also on the review assignment that's on Canvas right now. So we're going to do long division on this. We're going to take this fraction, we're going to turn it to a decimal and figure out why this thing repeats, if it does repeat. Okay, so remember there's two types of fractions. They either terminate or they repeat. Okay, so here we go. We got 12 divided into 9. It won't go into 9, but it will go into 90. It will go 7 times 8 would be 96, so 96 is too big, so I'm going to drop back to 7. 7 times 12 is 84. So I subtract those two. 90 minus 84 will give me a 6. 12 will not divide into 6, but it will divide into 60. So what I'm going to do is add another decimal place. So now that gives me more room to do my division. So I know 5 times 12 is 60. Subtract that. 60 minus 60 is 0. So the remainder on this one is 0. Now, I know some of your teachers in elementary school, if you learned how to do this, is they told you there was no remainder. Yeah, there is a remainder. A remainder is 0. Okay? And so in your Canvas assignment, the first thing wants to know if it's repeating or terminating. Terminating is if they end in a 0. So this terminates. And I think on the one worksheet, I wrote terminator, terminates. That's so funny. Terminate. And then what causes the decimal to terminate? It's always 0. Okay? Now, if it doesn't terminate, the other type is it has to repeat. So this is going to be a repeating one. And we're just going to take 1 and divide it by 6. So 6 is on the outside, 1's on the inside. 6 divided into 1, it won't do it, but it will go into 10 times that. It gives me a 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. It won't go into 4, so I'm going to add another 0 there. So 6 will go into 40. It looks like it'll go 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. I subtract it, and I get a 4. Do you see where those two 4s start to repeat? Then this pattern of getting a 4 and another 6, getting a 4 and another 6, that's what causes the decimal to repeat. So on this one, what type of decimal do we have? It's repeating. And for answer number 2, what causes a decimal to repeat? It's not the 6. What causes the decimal to repeat to 6 is the 4 in the remainder that keeps repeating. So it wants the remainder. So that's how you do 5 and 6. And thank you.